So hello everyone, myself Mohammad Akram. So today we are going to cover a small topic on system software and compilers, which is predictive parsing table. So I'm currently pursuing my studies in computer science engineering department. So let's get started with the topic. Predictive parsing table. A predictive parser is a recursive descendant parser, which has the capability to predict which production is to be used to replace the input string. Algorithm to construct predictive parsing table. Step 1. First, check all the essential conditions mentioned above and go to the steps. Step 2. Calculate the first and follow for all the non-terminals. First, if there is a variable and from the variable, if we try to derive all the strings in the beginning of the terminal symbol is called the first. The follow. What the terminal symbol which follows a variable in the process of derivation. Step 3. For each production, A goes to alpha, A tend to alpha. The first of alpha for the terminal is first of alpha, which makes A A goes to alpha in the table. If first of alpha contains epsilon has a terminal, then find the follow of A for each terminal. In follow of A, make entry A, A goes to epsilon in the table. The first of alpha contains epsilon and follow of A contains dollar as the terminal. Then make entry A goes to epsilon in the table for the dollar symbol. Steps needs to be followed to construct predictive parsing table. Step 1. Eliminate left recursion and perform left factoring. As there is no left recursion in the grammar, so we need to proceed as it is. Also, there is no need for left factoring. Step 2. Computation of first. Step 3. Computation of follow. Step 1. Eliminate left recursions. Before we construct we write the first of the given grammar. For example, A goes to A alpha slash beta. Rewrite it as A goes to beta alpha dash. A dash goes to alpha A dash slash epsilon. Second step will construct the first and the follow. The rules to construct the first is if x is a terminal, then first of x is x. If it is a non-terminal, then add epsilon to the first of x in the flower brackets. If x is a non-terminal and x goes to a, alpha is the production, then add a to first of x. Rules. If f is the start symbol, then follow of s contains a dollar. So s goes to follow of s will write dollar in the flower braces. If a goes to alpha, beta, b, follow of b will be the first of b. If first of b is not having epsilon, then we will continue with the third step. A goes to alpha, beta, b. Follow of b will be first of b. If first of b will be epsilon, then follow of b equal to follow of a. So we'll construct a predictive parsing table for the given grammar. So the grammar is E goes to T E dash, E dash goes to plus T E dash slash epsilon, T goes to F T dash, T dash goes to star F T dash slash epsilon, F goes to E slash ID. The first of E can be written as first of T, then first of T can be written as first of F. In first of F, as we have the opening parenthesis and slash ID, so we'll take both of them and we'll write in the parenthesis. Then first of E dash will be plus and epsilon, and similarly we'll find first of T. First of T is first of F, and similarly we'll get parenthesis and ID. The first of T dash is star epsilon, and the first of F is opening braces and ID. Now we'll calculate the follow of the given grammar. So follow of E is as E is the starting symbol, we'll insert a dollar symbol and the closing brackets. in the follow of E, and follow of E dash will be similar, which is dollar and closing braces, and follow of T is plus dollar and closing braces. Follow of T dash is plus dollar and closing braces. Follow of F is star plus and closing braces. So with the use of first and follow table, which is on the left hand side, we'll construct a predictive passing table on the right hand side. So before constructing the predictive passing table, we'll create all the non-terminals, rows for all the non-terminals and column for the all for the terminals. And we'll construct the table. For the E non-terminal, we'll write E goes to TE dash in the ID, as first of E contains ID in it. So we'll write E goes to TE dash in it. So in the closing bracket, and in the opening bracket, we'll also write E goes to TE dash as it is in the first of E. Similarly, we'll write for the E dash. E dash goes to plus TE dash, as the E dash consists of plus, and as E dash consists of epsilon symbol, we'll add E dash goes to epsilon in the closing brackets and the dollar symbol. And for the T, we'll write T goes to FT dash in the ID and T goes to FT dash in the opening bracket, as it consists of ID and opening brackets in its first. For the T dash symbol, we'll write T goes to star FT dash in the star column, and T dash goes to epsilon, T dash goes to epsilon in the plus closing bracket and dollar column, as they are the follow of T dash. And for the F non-terminal, we'll write F goes to ID and F goes to E in the respective ID and opening braces. And the leftover boxes will be written with the error symbol, and the predictive passing table is completed. Thanks for watching.